Welcome to our plant, we're chili plants. Today I'll show you exactly how hot chili steak is made, step by step.
These reds are looking perfect.
Yeah, we should hit the quota early.
As you can see, the grinders produce a beautifully consistent paste. This careful process allows us to manage the spice levels precisely.
Each batch is carefully cooked to develop flavor and heat.
Every bottle is tested before leaving the plant.
And that's how hot chili sauce is made. Done good in, from fresh peppers to fiery flavor.